Today I'm going to show you how to do an image to video in Sora. So the first thing is we want to make sure our settings are right. I want a 16:9 landscape, which is right down here. We could change it to a vertical as well if we wanted to. I'm going to leave it on 480p. I'm going to leave it on 5 seconds for now, and then this is usually set to, by default, to 2 videos, like it will generate 2 videos at a time. I just want 1 video because it takes up less credits. If we hover over the question mark, it tells us that we're using 25 credits currently to generate this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to upload an image or a video. And I'm going to select this image right here. This is a photograph, a landscape photograph I took in infrared. So for my description, I'm going to put windy day on the bay. And then I'm going to go to the storyboard. And it describes what's going to go on here, and then it describes what's going to happen on the 3rd frame. I'm gonna cut this out and make it only 2, and I'm gonna go down here and I'm going to extend it to 10 seconds. And I'm gonna put this around 5. And then I'm gonna go create. So it should take the image and then the text that it wrote up based on what I initially wrote up. And the scene should change like 5 seconds in. Now we don't have to go into the storyboard. We could have just ran the prompt as it was, or we didn't even have to write a prompt. We could have just put the image in and just ran it and see what it comes up with. If we go back now, it's up to 93%. All right, it's done. So let's see what happened. So it's a little bit windy here, then it pans over down here. All right, so it actually took this scene right here and created the rest of this. It panned over, showing the wind and the water coming around this tree. All right, let's try another video. We're going to upload another image here. This time we're going to upload this image right here. I'm not going to put a description, and I'm going to see what it does with it without any description at all. And I'm just going to tell it to run. And I'm going to go into this and see what happens here. You see the clouds are moving. The wind's blowing in the scene right here. So that's an example of how you can create a video using a still image. You can actually use a photograph that you took, or you could use an image you created with a program like Midjourney. So it gives you a little bit more control over what's going on with the scene, because you can you can start with a reference scene. In fact, you can add a couple of different pictures in if you wanted to, so that you could morph between the pictures or to give it more guidance.